Hey, are you growing capsicum or bell peppers at home? Then this video is for you. First mistake you should not do: if your plants or pots not in a sunny area, and if your plants is not getting proper sunlight, then your plants won't grow tall, and it will be weak with fewer fruits only. So your plants need to get at least 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight in a day. So you need to find yourself which place will be better for you. It can be your terrace, your yard, or balcony. And secondly, not to do overwatering. Sure, your soil is moist but well drained. And one thing you can dip your finger into soil and check it out. And if it's still dry, then it's time to water. And third step is using wrong pot or soil. And capsicum needs space both in the pot and in the root. And use a container that's at least 12-inch deep and with the good drainage holes. And now the soil, and make sure the soil is light, fertile, drains well. Avoid sticky clay or dense gardening soil. And now the fourth step, and capsicum is a hungry plant. It needs nutrients, especially when it's flowering and fruiting. Otherwise your plants can give you small peppers, or leaves will become yellow. Like these types of symptoms you can see if you doesn't feed your plants well, and slow growth can be seen as well. So feed it with the compost or cow dung in every 10 to 15 days. And now the fifth step is pest management. Capsicum plants are pest magnets, so you have to check them out regularly and check under the leaves if there are any disease or not, and spray neem oil or use neem cake powder while making gardening soil. And if you notice any kind of abnormality, one thing you can do, you can take pictures of it, and you can take the help of AI to find out the disease and its solutions. And now the sixth step and the last step, and if two plants are very close, then spaced ones, giving your plants room to breathe well. So it is really very important for the plants, and overcrowding leads to less air circulation and the more chances of disease. So keep at least 18 to 12 inches gap in between two plants. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.